Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, this is Marissa again. So I am going to create a very simple layout. So this is very ultra simple. So I have drawn the sketch here. This right here is going to be a 11 by 5 paper that I'm planning to use, and then these are the 3 pictures for 2 4 by 6s and 1 4 by 4, and then I'll have a border type thing here, 1.5 by 12 and a 1/2 inch by 12. So these are the papers I'm planning to use. This is an Echo Park paper kit, and it's a story of our family, and this is an older kit, and here are the papers that are in there. And so I also needed a base paper because I could not decide a base paper here. I wanted something subtle for my base paper, so I pulled out my embossed white pad here. This actually is from Joann's. I am not 100% sure if they still have it. I bought this early this year, so it's possible that they might not have it anymore. But anyway, out of these papers, the pad and the kit, I pulled from the pad, the embossed pad, this embossed paper. And it's like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's not chevron-y, but it's like brackets going up and down. But it's embossed. It's really cute. So I pulled it out. And then so the other papers from the story of our family kit here from Echo Park, I pulled out this paper, and behind it I'm going to use this paper for the 5 by 11, and then I'm going to use this for the 1/2 inch or 1.5 by 12, and then this one I'm going to actually use the yellow to offset this. I'll cut like a 1/2 inch of this, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, but I'm looking at if I was thinking that I was going to take this and use this as probably the title. Let's see how the layout's gonna go, because sometimes I have an idea in my head, and after a while I just change it up. So these papers have 1/2 inch strips here that I'm gonna take them out. So let's get going. So okay guys, I cut this by 1.5 by 12, and this is 1/2 inch by 12. This right here is 5 by 11, and this is where we're gonna put it. And then this two stays here this way. And then I was thinking maybe I can put this over here as the title, and then right here. So it looks like, and I can only put 2 pictures here, or maybe right there. And so I can put one 4 by 4 here, a 4 by 6 here, and another 4 by 4 over there. So what do you guys think? I think we should go ahead and tack this down. I'll ink them first. Ink the elements first, and then we'll tack them down. We're ready to tack this down. Okay guys, there you go. This is the layout. So the title's up there, journaling can go down here. So very simple, very quick layout for all of you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this layout. If you have any questions or comments, please comment down below, and I'll try my very best to respond to you guys as soon as I can. Please thumbs up if you like this layout, and yeah, please subscribe. Also, if you need any Kiwi Lane products, I have my website down below at the description box. Again, thank you again for watching, and yeah, that's it. Thanks guys, see you later, bye.